In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade with Metatrader 5 PDF. We'll walk through what's inside a helpful guide and how to use it to get comfortable placing trades on Metatrader 5. There's a free PDF you can open or download that explains the basics of MT5 and how to execute orders. Use it alongside this walkthrough so you can follow each section at your own pace. The guide starts with the platform basics. When you launch Metatrader 5, you'll see Market Watch, which lists instruments and their live bid and ask prices. This is where you can add symbols you want to trade. The chart window is your main workspace, showing price action for the selected instrument. The Navigator panel helps you access your accounts, indicators, and expert advisors in one place. At the bottom, the terminal shows your open positions, pending orders, account history, and alerts. Knowing where these panels are makes everything else easier. Next, the PDF covers chart analysis. You'll learn to read candlestick charts to spot how price moves over time. You can switch time frames like M1, M5, H1, or D1 to see the market from different angles, short bursts for quick moves, or higher time frames for the bigger picture. The drawing tools let you add trend lines and other annotations to mark support, resistance, and trend structure. Keep your chart clean and purposeful so you can focus on the key levels. The guide also introduces popular indicators included in MT5. A moving average smooths price to highlight the trend. RSI measures momentum and can help you spot overbought or oversold conditions. MACD shows trend and momentum shifts using lines and a histogram. Bollinger Bands expand and contract with volatility, helping you see when price stretches away from the mean. Start with one or two indicators that match your style and avoid cluttering the chart. When you're ready to place a trade, open Metatrader 5. Select a trading pair such as XAUUSD or URUSD, right-click the chart, and choose Trading, then New Order. In the order window, set your lot size, which controls your position size and risk. Enter a stop loss to cap potential loss and a take profit to automatically capture gains. Finally, choose buy or sell based on your plan. Double-check everything before you click. Here's a simple example using gold, or XAUUSD. Lot size 0.01, buy price 2000, stop loss 1995, and take profit 2010. If price rises to 2010, your take profit closes the trade in profit. If it falls to 1995, the stop loss limits the loss. Treat this as an illustration, not a recommendation. Keep the PDF handy, review each section, and refer back to the terminal to study your trade history. Consistency and clear rules are your best tools as you learn MT5.